Hello traders out there in Traderland, my name's D7 here at Grok Trade. Kicking off the week here, April 2nd, 2018, and the markets go bearish. I mean, the Dow is down almost 700 points at one point. Wow. Drops about almost 460 points by the day's end, but we're down 2% on the Spider. Diamonds down 2% plus 3% on the NASDAQ down. We are down for 2018 for the NASDAQ. Financials down 2.5% or 2.2% financials. Small caps down 2.4%. US dollar break even. Crude oil down 2.7%. Gold higher by 1%. Silver higher by 1.5%. Fear increasing, spiking 18. We're at 23 now on fear. Bitcoin up almost 2%. GBTC up over 6.6%. And here we are looking at the S&P 500 Spider called the it's an ETF called the Spider. Here's the deal. Got a buy, sell, and now it's just a big fat sell. There it is. I finally turned it around. There it is. It gets a sell on the daily diamonds. Let's see this. I'm going to put a sell on the diamonds. NASDAQ, I'm going to put a sell. So these dailies burnt me, and I said it was probably going to happen. There it is on the Russells 2000 financials. I got a sell on it. I'm going to stay with it. US dollar, got a buy on it. It's a high base. Look for the US dollar to pop. That could be ready to rock and roll. Crude oil, man, that's a big drop. So it gets a big fat sell on that. Daily, the dollar or gold up. I got a buy on that. That is going really well. Silver, got a sell, and now a buy on that. And this is just a crazy chop. Look at the chop going sideways. I should just stay with this buy and just walk away from it. See, the sideways chop is just nasty. Just a whole lot of nothing. VIX had a sell on it. I'm going to put a buy back on the VIX. With this high base, that's looking like really bad. Bitcoin, let's see. Do I want to put a buy on Bitcoin? Just not willing to do it yet. GBTC. Let's check that out. Man, that looks like it's getting ready to go higher. I'm going to put a buy on GBTC. I think that's going to be a buy. And this is a short video here, guys, because I did a 51-minute video. 51-minute video. Here's the weekly chart. The weekly got a sell on it, and it's really weak out there, guys, on the weekly chart. But this is only Monday. That's a brutal Monday already. And here's the month. We're starting lower. It just looks very bad out there in the markets. Anyway, we're going to be doing a 3-day advanced training. It's all day long, 3 days, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Boom, right there. You notice I have a green screen behind me. That green screen isn't for this right here. It is for something else. But let me throw it back up there. That number right there, text me your name and email address, and we'll get you information about the 3-day online training. It's all day Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And we teach you everything about trading and how to do so. So hope that is good. Man, it's a crazy market out there. Looking very bearish. Expect more turbulence, more volatility. It is coming. But man, we're seeing big volume too, guys. That volume tells me a lot. That's institutional money coming in on the sell side. That will not do any favors for the bulls out there. Mark my words on that. Take care, guys. We'll catch you later. Bye.